Hello everyone, my name is Marciano Putra Sinurat. Request number is 80705087. Now I want to discuss about cognitive stylistic. Okay, the first one is what is the cognitive stylistic? Cognitive stylistic is an advanced field on the crossroad of linguistics, cognitive science, and literary studies that presuppose the integration of linguistic analysis with cognitive theories. Cognitive stylistic approach is suitable to explain the linguistic construction of worldview in text. E.A. Richard laid the foundation for cognitive stylistic. It was from cognitive psychology that Richard drew upon the built theory of literature and interpretation, which in itself prefigured cognitive stylistics. It also analyzed an author ideolect his individual language traits, combines the kind of explicit, rigorous, and detailed linguistic analysis of literary text. This is typical of the stylistic tradition, with systematic and theoretically informed consideration of the cognitive structures and process that underlie the for production and perception of language. And cognitive stylistics is the interface between linguistic, literary studies, and cognitive science, extend the boundaries of linguistic analysis of literature by articulating different theories such as schema theory, cognitive metaphor, theory of conceptual metaphor theory, the text-word theory, foreground theory, and mental space theory. The first one is schema theory. All experiences are stored in the memory, and the human mind activities and draws upon the memory in the process of understanding or grappling with new experience or data for the purpose of interpretation. The human mind actively constructs various types of cognitive representation: cause, feature, meaning, structure, sets of elements that interpret linguistic input. The text word theory. All the discourse are characterized by construction of a set of richly defined conceptualized space known as words. Discourse word spatio-temporal context in which the discourse take place, which contain two discourse participants, which are writer and reader or speaker and listener, and naturally occurring language even such as discourse. The text word. Text-driven process whereby linguistics choose active relevant general or specific knowledge upon which further inference about the parameters of the text word space may be drawn. The word building proportion in the text provide dietic and referential information which partially establish the word suitable variables such as time, location, entice, and interrelationship, while function specifying proportion are those which provide information about action, mental process, states, and attribute of entice in the text word. The subword. Subword arise as a result of a deictic shift or modal shift away from the matrix word from which they arise. Modal words which are cued by proportion, which are modalized according to the conventional separation between deonic, bolic, and epistemic context, and account for such thing as expression or of belief, desire, and obligation. Metaphors are a type of epistemic subword. The metaphors. The metaphors play a very important role in the text world because in actually we make sense of the world through our knowledge of the real world by Porto Roequijo 2007. And the last one is irony. Irony used to convey the opposite of what is said. Words are not in their basic literal sense by Dumarcias and Destrobes. I think that's all what I can represent today. Thank you very much.